My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Coleman twin pack-away cot. There are some pros and cons with this cot. Personally, I've had a bit of problem with it dry rotting, so I plan on sending it back to Coleman, seeing what they can do about it, but currently I just decided to order another one. I was pressed for time. I really wanted to go camping this weekend, so I just decided to buy a brand new one. We're gonna do a little unboxing, and I'm actually gonna make a separate video where I talk about the pros and cons and basically what happened with my old Coleman twin cot. And you can see where it didn't dry rot, but you can see where it ripped. I only weigh, 180 pounds. I was just a little disappointed that it did not last as long as I thought it was going to last. I thought it was going to last a lot longer, but so be it, I guess, is what you're going to say. So let's go ahead and do a little unboxing of this, and I can show you what it looks like. We'll do an unboxing and a little setup. So this is how it came. Obviously I did not do any type of unboxing or anything like that. And I'm not sure if it's already open, you know what I mean? Or if it's in another box. I wasn't too sure. So I just thought I would bring the whole thing with me. And it is open already. So it's pretty heavy, so I'm just going to dump it out on the table so you can see what it looks like. Really? So this is what it looks like from the inside of the box. Before we try to open it, I thought we could talk about some of the features of this, and I could tell you how much I paid for it. So before I came here, it's actually at the most expensive. It cost me about $55. It just says, bring along a perfect relaxation spot on your next camping trip with the Coleman Pack-Away Camping Cot. Ideal for sitting, reclining, and sleeping, this versatile camping cot features an extra wide design that provides ample resting room. It also comes equipped with a convenient removable side table with a cup holder, which honestly I've never used. I've never had the need for a side table when I'm camping, so I basically never use that. The steel frame can support up to 300 pounds. It is built to withstand season after season of rugged use. I beg to differ on that point, Coleman. Season after season of rugged use. It barely held up to 3 years of solid use. So again, I'm a little disappointed in my other one, so let me tell you. We will see how long this says. The Coleman Pack-Away Camping Cot accommodates most people up to 6 feet 6 inches tall. Adjustable camping cot offers an ideal place. Removable side table, durable steel frame, measures 80 inches by 44 inches by 17 inches when unfolded. And this is how it looks when it's all folded nice and neat in the box. And it fits perfectly back in here every time. It's not hard to get back in. It's not like a tent where you have to fold it precisely into little origami shapes in order to squeeze it into a teeny tiny bag that's way too small for it. Instead, they just basically, it origamis itself and it packs easily back into the same bag. So it's very easy to pack away again. And I was very happy to get another one of these. I still plan on sending a strongly worded letter to Coleman explaining how mine ripped in certain areas, and it should not have. But anyway, so it just reinforces what was already said on the website. It can hold up to 300 pounds, heavy duty and compact. I beg to differ on the heavy duty part. So let's go ahead and unzipper it, see what's in here. So it comes with this. I'm not too sure what this is. This isn't the folding side table, I don't think. Maybe it's different now. Oh, it is. It's the side table. Oh, they make it different now. Okay. Here's the cute little side table. Oh yeah, here it is. And it just snaps open like this. It's just a side table. It's just padded, and it comes with a little cup holder for a drink if you want to take your drink with you. And then it just snaps back in order to fold back into a nice, neat little container here. So this is how I usually keep it, and I just throw it in after I've folded everything up. So, and then you could just tie it off here, and away you go with that. And then here's the side table. I mean, here's the main part here. So as you can see, it folds into this kind of W shape here. So let me move the camera so that you can see it as we unfold it. So this is what it looks like all folded up. And let's just go ahead and do a quick setup. It's actually really easy. It just folds into this W shape, you know, as you can see here. So it just, when you fold it out, you just lift up, set it on the ground or set it in your tent, preferably. And move each piece so that it straightens. And then that's it. See? It's set up almost instantly. And as you can see, the setup time on this took absolutely no time at all. So anyways, I just thought I'd show you quickly how to set it up, and when you fold it down, it just makes a W shape basically, and you're done again. So that is it for this unboxing. In the next video, I definitely want to show you the pros and the cons to this Coleman twin camping cot, because there's definitely going to be some cons with it, and I can show you where it ripped on my old one. So, but for now, thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you like it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.